How do I pair my TV with a Bluetooth speaker?
Hello there. Are you trying to level up your sound game by pairing your TV with a Bluetooth speaker, but aren't sure where to start? Don't worry, in this video we're going to walk through the process step by step. By the end, you'll have your TV and Bluetooth speaker paired up and ready for an enhanced audio experience. Remember, different TV models may have slightly different instructions, but this guide should work for most modern TVs.
Is your TV Bluetooth compatible?
First, we need to determine if your TV is Bluetooth compatible. Many modern TVs are, but some older models may not be. Usually, you can check this by going to your TV settings menu and look for the Bluetooth or audio settings. If you see an option to enable Bluetooth, your TV is compatible. If not, you might need a Bluetooth adapter, which can be plugged into your TV to enable Bluetooth connectivity.
Turning on your Bluetooth speaker.
Before we can pair the speaker, we need to make sure it's on and ready to connect. Turn on your Bluetooth speaker and put it in pairing mode. The way to do this varies by speaker model, but often involves pressing and holding a button labeled Bluetooth or Pair. When in pairing mode, most speakers have a light that flashes or changes color.
Pairing the devices.
Now it's time to pair your TV and Bluetooth speaker. Go back to the Bluetooth settings on your TV. Here, you should see an option to pair new device or add device. Select this, and your TV will start scanning for available devices. Once your TV detects your Bluetooth speaker, it should appear in the list of available devices. Click on your speaker's name to connect. You might have to confirm the connection on your speaker, depending on the model. If successful, your TV audio should now be coming out of your Bluetooth speaker. And that's it. You've successfully paired your TV with a Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience, whether it's for movies, shows, or music. Remember to always turn your Bluetooth speaker on first and put it in pairing mode before trying to connect it with your TV. Thank you for watching, and hope this guide was helpful. Happy listening!